I went to the fridge to get a snack and, you weren't there.
I'm your type, I'm the vibe. Fantasize, stay the night, every night. I could keep all your secrets in my pocket, lock it, and then I keep it up down when I lock and drop it. Yeah.
Di, yung nag-knock. Sino yung nag-knock? It's my boyfriend, guys. Eme! Ito talaga kayo. Ano? May time na nag-post ako na na dalawa yung plate. Yung nagluto ako ng bulgogi. Tapos yung mga yung mga comments, oh, kasama yung boyfriend niya. Ay, hindi siya nag